YouTube? It's T-Phase here. Today, guys, we're going to be doing something a little different. We are going to be unboxing a PS4 that I just got. I had quite a few people move over, friends that I have move over to the PS4, so I thought, why not go get one? The content comes out first on Call of Duty Black Ops 3 for the PS4, and me being a Call of Duty fanboy, I thought I had to do it so I could bring you guys content first right when it comes out. So I guess here we go. We'll start on unboxing. Cut that open. Put that off to the side. So, here's the box. We'll get this box out of our way. So, here it is. I got the Black Ops 3 bundle, so it comes with the game, and it comes with the case, as in the whole outskirt would be the Black Ops 3 edition. It is the 500 gigabyte. The newest one, which would be the Jet Black CUH-1215A, so it's not the gloss top version anymore. So yeah, we'll cut it open and see what else is inside. Let's cut that tab. Should pull off. I'll set this down. Tripod. So here's the case. It's just a cover. Right here's the regular case for it. I do believe you do open it from one side. I don't know which one. I'll just open it from this one. Pull tab. Just pull up and pull out. Yes, it is this side. So right away when you open up the box, you'll see you have your dual shock 4 controller and your earbuds. Headset. You have your HDMI cable, your USB power cable for your controller. You have your power cord for the PS4. Okay, now we'll get to the actual PS4. All came out with it. Okay, everything should be out of that box. So when you pull out the PS4, you're gonna get this little explore booklet. I suppose for new people. You get PlayStation 4 code. Looks like you get some few codes in here, and just some ads and all that for PlayStation. That off to the side. Right here is the quick start guide that should be right on top of the PS4. I suppose that's for people who just got one and don't know anything about PlayStation, so that's there for you too. Pull these off. And then came with mine because of the bundle, Black Ops 3. So then there's that. And then should be, we'll open it up, see how it is. So here's the PS4, the newest one. I feel like it is smaller than the other one. They do say it is a tad bit smaller and lighter, which I do think it is from seeing other people's. It is the matte black finish now. It's not the glossy top, so it doesn't scratch so easy like on the old ones. As you guys can see here, it doesn't have the let's say the chrome finished PlayStation symbol anymore. It's just the plastic engraved now, and it is, if you guys can hear, it's buttons now. It's not touch touchscreen how the old ones was. So, in my opinion, I guess these would be better. That I feel like they'll last longer. But tell me what you guys think about it. How you guys like your PS4 down in the comments. So yeah, there's the unboxing of the PlayStation 4 Black Ops 3 bundle. If you guys liked the video, comment, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and let me know what you guys think about it. Thanks. See you guys in the next video.